up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be talking about this product. This is Xiaomi tire inflator. It's a very little portable tire inflator and that I found online. So the price of this tire inflator is around 2500 in MI store. So this inflator has 200 mAh of battery inbuilt, so you don't have to plug it in for external power source or something like that. So you have to charge the battery using this micro USB here, and then you can use it whenever you need it. Alright, so what you have to do is very simple. You have to take this nozzle out, okay, and you have to screw this nozzle into this air hose. Alright, so I have connected the air hose and it's showing it has 19 psi. I need 28 psi. So let's see how much time it takes. So let's start. Alright, so it has came up to 28 and it got auto disconnected because the air pressure is at 28 psi. Alright guys, now it's time to get our scientific mind out and do some actual calculation. So my initial pressure was 19 psi and my final pressure was 28 psi. That means it took 65 seconds for 9 psi of air. That means 1 psi of air got filled within a span of 7.2 seconds. Given this formula, we can derive that from 0 to 28 psi, meaning when I will have actual puncture, that time my air pressure will be close to 0 or it could be 0. So from 0 to 28 psi, it would take 28 into 7.2 seconds, which gives me around 3.36 minutes. Wow. Alright, so with all the calculation is in place, let's talk about one thing, that is it worth investing 2500 in this or not? Well, I'll give an example. Let's say you are traveling to somewhere and you are on your bike and you are having a puncture, and let's say for the next 20 kilometers there is no puncture shop available. Then I think in that case this could be a lifesaver. Obviously you have to buy the puncture repairing kit as well, but along with that this should be a game changer, because the way I see it, the USP of this product is portability. It's absolutely portable. It hardly takes any of your luggage bag area, and also this can also be used to gauge your current air pressure as well. So if you ever feel that you are running low on air pressure, just stop, attach this nozzle and check how much pressure you have, and depending upon your need you can increase or decrease your pressure, right? So with that being said, I think it's time to end this video, and as always I will see you whenever I'll see you. You take care of yourself. Bye bye.